G'day, g'day. It is Friday, the 28th of August 2026. How has everyone's trading week been? A little bit sideways for gold, of course, but there have definitely been trades during the Asian session. So hopefully you caught a few of those and stayed out of trouble on the rest. Okay, we'll start on the daily chart as always, looking at yesterday. So yesterday was a down two, so lower high, lower low. We did spike the previous day's low and closed back inside. So we're seeing this sort of pattern of an up day with a doji, down day with a doji, and not unexpected given what is now, I believe, underway. So we'll sort of look at that. So overnight from New York, so, brief geopolitical view. Iranian military news said that Iran and Oman have reached some sort of agreement to open temporary new shipping routes through the Strait of Hormuz. It still requires US to lift its naval blockade and return to previous truce terms. WTI dipped slightly on that. Nvidia, for those who follow the indices, beat its expectations again, providing reassurance that AI investment cycle is strong. We've talked about PCE. So the main one now is the Jackson Hole Fed Symposium. And sort of, it's always good to have a little bit look. So where are they staying? They're staying in the beautiful Jackson Lake Lodge, which is in Wyoming. Beautiful place. Doesn't rate too badly, 8.2 on booking.com. Looks nice. And why is this important? So it's hosted by the Federal Reserve Bank of Kansas City, and it's their annual economic policy event. And it's important because you've got central bankers from all over the world. You've got all the Fed officials there, economists, movers, shakers, and they're all trying to understand where the world is heading economically, which is of course very, very difficult at the moment. And the main one will be, we've got my time, I think Saturday morning, we've got the new Fed chair, Kevin Warsh. This is his first Jackson Hole event, and he's got the keynote speech, and everyone will be waiting to hear what he has to say in terms of where interest rates might go for the rest of the year. And that will factor deeply into the September Fed's rate decision. And so, not a major sort of question mark on where gold is heading at the moment. We're sort of waiting for that news to hit the market. So today could be a little bit quiet. So we'll have a look at that. Yesterday, I've already gone over the trades in the session, but we'll have a look where we're setting up today. Put on my session volume profile. Where are we? Close that off. Right, price has opened above the pivot. We are heading possibly towards the upper value line. Yesterday's point of control has already been tagged. So point of control sits there. Liquidity all around price at the moment, and we are starting to move up towards the point of control. So we're sitting currently between the point of control and the pivot line. Definitely not a place that I take trades in, because that is value. I either like to trade away from value or back towards value from an extreme. So just going to watch this one play out. We have the upper value line here after 3 points of liquidity, so you could look for a bounce sell-off there, or the lower value line also sitting at some liquidity here. Interesting to note that that was Wednesday's low, so it's wouldn't be a bad place to look for a bounce after this liquidity has been taken. So we'll leave that as it is. It is Friday. Take care out there. It is the end of the week and coming towards the end of August. I think we've got one more trading day in August on Monday. Okay, trade well.